The world of technology is ever evolving. We've seen incredible leaps in computing power. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now a reality. OpenAI, a leading organization in AI research, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Now, they've unveiled their most groundbreaking creation, yet Operator. This new AI has the potential to reshape our world. Operator is not just another AI program. It represents a new era of digital companionship, designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life. It is designed to be a constant companion, always there to assist you with your needs, whether big or small. From managing your schedule to providing real-time information, Operator is your go-to digital assistant, a digital entity that understands and interacts with the world in ways never seen before. It connects with your smart home devices, making your environment more intuitive and responsive. Imagine a friend who always has the answer. Whether you need to know the weather, find a recipe, or get directions, Operator is there with the information you need, right when you need it. Picture a helper who can anticipate your needs. It learns from your habits and routines, suggesting tasks and reminders before you even think of them. That's the promise of Operator. It learns your preferences, adapts to your routines, and becomes more attuned to your lifestyle with each interaction. And it doesn't stop there. Operator even understands your emotions. It can detect when you're feeling down and offer words of encouragement or celebrate your successes with you. This emotional intelligence sets Operator apart, making it not just a tool, but a true companion in your digital life. Imagine waking up to a personalized greeting from Operator. As you slowly open your eyes, the gentle voice of Operator fills the room, wishing you a good morning and providing a brief overview of your day. It's like having a personal assistant right by your side from the moment you wake up. Operator has already analyzed your sleep patterns and the weather outside. It knows how well you slept and offers tips to improve your rest. The weather forecast is displayed on your phone, so you know exactly what to wear and whether to carry an umbrella. It suggests the perfect breakfast based on your dietary preferences and nutritional needs. As you prepare your meal, Operator reminds you of your upcoming appointments, ensuring you're always on top of your schedule. Whether it's a morning meeting or a reminder to call a friend, Operator has you covered. Throughout the day, Operator acts as your personal assistant, seamlessly handling tasks and providing information. Need to send an email or set a reminder? Just ask Operator. It can even help you draft documents, manage your calendar, and keep track of your to-do list. With Operator, multitasking becomes effortless. Need to book a flight? Operator finds the best deals, comparing prices across multiple airlines and booking platforms. It takes into account your preferences, such as seat selection and meal options, ensuring a comfortable journey. Planning a trip has never been easier. Stuck on a work problem? Operator offers insightful solutions, drawing from a vast database of knowledge and previous experiences. Whether you need help with a complex project or just a quick answer to a question, Operator is there to assist. It's like having an expert consultant at your fingertips. The creation of Operator required breakthroughs in several fields. Advanced natural language processing allows it to understand and respond to human speech with remarkable accuracy. Machine learning algorithms enable it to learn from its interactions and constantly improve its performance. And sophisticated computer vision empowers it to recognize objects, scenes, and even emotions. The emergence of such powerful AI raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure Operator is used responsibly? What about data privacy and security? OpenAI is acutely aware of these concerns. They have implemented safeguards to prevent misuse and are committed to ongoing dialogue about the ethical implications of their work. Section 6. The Potential Pitfalls, Dependency and Beyond. While the benefits of Operator are undeniable, we must also consider potential downsides. Over-reliance on AI could lead to a decline in human skills and critical thinking. There's also the risk of job displacement as AI systems become increasingly capable. Finding the right balance between human ingenuity and AI assistance will be crucial. Section 7. Operator and the future of human connection. Some worry that AI companions like Operator could lead to social isolation. However, it's equally possible that Operator could enhance human connection. By freeing us from mundane tasks and providing us with more leisure time, Operator could allow us to focus on what truly matters, our relationships with one another. Section 8. The OpenAI revolution. A new era begins. The release of Operator marks a turning point in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It brings us closer to a future where AI is not just a tool, but a partner, a collaborator, and perhaps even a friend. The possibilities are both exhilarating and daunting. Section 9. A future forged together. Humanity and AI. As we venture into this uncharted territory, one thing is clear. The future of AI is intertwined with the future of humanity. The advancements we make in artificial intelligence are not just technological milestones. They are stepping stones towards a new era of human evolution. This era promises to redefine how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The collaboration between humans and AI is not merely a partnership. It is a symbiotic relationship that has the potential to elevate our collective existence to unprecedented heights. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits all of humankind. This means prioritizing ethical considerations, transparency, and inclusivity in every step of AI development. Researchers and developers must work hand in hand with policymakers, ethicists, and the general public to create frameworks that safeguard against misuse and bias. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to solve some of the most pressing issues facing our world today, from climate change to healthcare and beyond. The journey ahead may be filled with challenges, but it also holds immense promise for a brighter future. As we navigate this path, we must remain vigilant and proactive, ensuring that the integration of AI into our lives is done thoughtfully and responsibly. The dawn of this new era is not just about technological progress. It is about creating a world where technology serves humanity, enhancing our capabilities and enriching our lives. Together, we can forge a future where the potential of AI is fully realized and its benefits are shared by all.